Could you ever imagine a world where data transfer is as fast as the blink of an eye? The future is closer than you think. Let's talk about 6G technology. This is not just another G, it's a quantum leap in the realm of communication expected to hit the ground running in the 2030s. 6G promises lightning-fast data speeds, lower latency, and unprecedented connectivity. It's the dawn of a new era where technology becomes an extension of ourselves, shaping the way we work, play, and interact. Imagine driving cars that communicate with each other to avoid collisions, or doctors performing surgeries remotely with zero delays. It's a world where the Internet of Things truly comes to life, with devices communicating seamlessly, and artificial intelligence becomes more integrated into our daily lives. The 6G era is on the horizon, but what does this mean for us? So, what's the good news? What does 6G have in store for us? To start with, 6G is set to offer higher speeds than we've ever seen before. Imagine downloading a full-length movie in less than a second. Sounds incredible, doesn't it? Secondly, we can look forward to lower latency. This means the delay between sending and receiving information will be virtually non-existent, making real-time communication a breeze. Next, advanced AI capabilities. With 6G, artificial intelligence will be more integrated into our systems, allowing for smarter, more efficient operations. Fourth, enhanced privacy. 6G will provide stronger security measures, protecting our data like never before. Lastly, the ability to connect and control a vast number of devices simultaneously. Imagine controlling every device in your smart home with just a snap of your fingers. With these advancements, the possibilities are endless. But hold on, every rose has its thorns. What are the potential drawbacks of this technology? We cannot discuss 6G without addressing its potential pitfalls. Firstly, 6G will inevitably lead to increased energy consumption. This next-gen technology will demand more power to function effectively, which could strain our energy resources. Secondly, there lie potential health concerns. While not entirely proven, the fear of adverse health effects from increased radio frequency radiation cannot be overlooked. Thirdly, the advent of 6G may exacerbate the digital divide. While some bask in the brilliance of hyperconnectivity, those without access to this technology may fall further behind. Fourthly, the cost of implementing 6G could be prohibitive. The infrastructure needed for this technology is extensive and expensive. Lastly, there's the risk of job displacement due to automation. As 6G paves the way for more automated systems, many traditional jobs could become redundant. Like any technological leap, 6G also presents its share of challenges. The question remains, how will 6G technology affect humanity? This new dawn of connectivity holds the potential to reshape our society, our economy, and our day-to-day lives. With a more connected world, we could see a revolution in sectors such as healthcare, education, and transportation. Remote surgery, immersive learning experiences, and autonomous vehicles could become the norm, improving lives across the globe. But with these advancements comes a degree of uncertainty. The increased digital dependency may create a divide between those who have access to 6G and those who don't, exacerbating the digital divide we see today. There's also the risk of over-reliance on technology. What happens when these systems fail or are compromised? The implications could be severe. The 6G era will undoubtedly be transformative, but it's up to us to navigate its impact wisely. We must tread carefully, ensuring that this technology serves to uplift humanity rather than divide it. As we stand on the brink of this new era, it's crucial to stay informed. The world of technology is a vast and ever-changing landscape, with each new development bringing with it a wave of new possibilities and challenges. The emergence of 6G is no exception. It's not just about faster internet speeds or seamless connectivity, it's about how these advancements will shape our lives, our societies, and indeed, our very humanity. So let's not be mere spectators in this grand spectacle of progress. Let's be active participants, seeking knowledge, asking questions, and engaging in discussions. The future is a book that's yet to be written, and by staying informed, we can all be part of writing that story. So, if you're excited about exploring this brave new world of technology with us, do like this video, subscribe to our channel, and activate the notifications bell. That way you'll never miss a beat in this fast-paced world of tech. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the future. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.